Here is Iman Gadzhi's video on Claude. I'm going to summarize it for you. Basically, the whole video, he gives 10 tips from beginner to advanced. I picked 5 that are actually matter and that are important, and here they are. Okay, the first tip he gave, which it sounds pretty small, but it really isn't. Whatever email you sign up with to Claude, you're going to be stuck with permanently. Claude does not let you change it, and he's seen people use their work email, then leave the company and lose access to months of memory and history forever. Use a personal email and you'll be good. Now we're skipping all the way to the 4th tip. The 4th tip is skills. A skill is different from memory. It's a fixed set of instructions for one specific repeatable job. Like, for example, your weekly reports or turning meeting notes into action items. You build it once, then it runs same way every single time. You can even download other people's pre-built skills instead of just making your own.
And that's where tip 4 comes in, using skills. A skill is different from a memory. Memory is Claude learning about you over time. A skill is a fixed set of instructions for one specific job that you're going to build once, and it runs the same way every single time. Look, I'm all about efficiency because doing monotonous work doesn't benefit anyone. If you're building a business sitting...
Now this next tip goes against what everyone says. Avoid projects. Iman actually hates them, but because a project has its own separate memory, it completely cut off from everything else in Claude. So if you've spent months building up context in normal chats and then go work inside a project, it's like Claude never met you and basically forgets everything of the previous history.
And that's tip number 5, which is avoid projects. Personally, I hate them. And for me, it really comes down to something we talked about earlier. You see, over time, the more you work with Claude, the better it gets. But at the same time, you also build up a serious amount of chats. And at some point, it gets a little difficult to keep track of what you're doing. So when I first started using Claude, I was like, okay, cool.
Now, the 9th tip is Claude Code. He says that Claude Code, the name scares people off for no reason, but you describe what you want in plain English in Claude Code, and it writes and tests the software. His chief product officer, who isn't a developer at all, built himself a custom marathon training app from scratch. Didn't write a single line of code, just text it in Claude Code in the prompts.
Is tip number 9, using Claude Code. Now, I know that the name puts people off, and I get it. You hear code and you assume it's a developer thing that's got nothing to do with you. And I can tell you it's not. You describe what you want in plain English, and then it goes and writes the software behind it and then tests it. It can even fix things when something breaks. Setting it up really isn't that complicated. You just download Claude Desktop, and if you're already using Cowork...
Now, the last tip I have for his videos is Claude Design, where Claude Design basically has mockups, landing pages, full website layouts. He says his own design team tested it and vouches for it, which he trusts more than his own opinion, since their jobs are the ones that actually do that on a daily basis.
Thing with your designer. And that is tip number 10. Use Claude Design. Now, this is actually one of the more recent additions. I've played around with it a bit myself, and the people on my design team tell me it's pretty good. And look, if they say that, especially technically because their jobs could be on the line.
As someone who uses Claude Code and Claude on a daily basis, my take is truly avoid the project. That tip is one that most people do get wrong and something that you should understand. And he is right to call it out. The email tip sounds obvious until it happens to you, right? Then the Claude Code, if you are someone who's trying to get into developing, promise is worth the money. But other than that, the video gives a bunch of tips for Claude Code that I think if you are looking to get into, this will be a gem that you'll actually remember and will actually help you with using Claude and completing any projects that you have.